Good afternoon and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Calcine TV live from our city studios. And of course this is the last show of the day at the last trade. To the market now, and the S&P ASX 200 closed lower today, dropping 72.2 points or 1.02%. The bottom performing stocks in this index include Imugene down 10.20%, Unibail-Rodamco-Westfield down 8.49%. And then over the past 5 days, the index has remained virtually unchanged, but it's down 5.45% for the last year to date. The federal court has fined Rio Tinto $750,000 after it found the miner breached its continuous disclosure obligations. Between December 21, 2012 to the January 17 to 2013 period, Rio Tinto failed to disclose material information to the ASX, which included that mining assets held by the company and the coal Mozambique region were no longer economically viable as long-life, large-scale Tier 1 coking coal resources. According to ASIC Deputy Chair Sarah Court, Rio Tinto had obligations to the market to keep it adequately informed about its mining projects overseas. And when the company became aware that Rio Tinto Coal Mozambique was no longer meeting the criteria, shareholders should have been properly informed in a timely manner. The orders were made consensually after ASIC and Rio Tinto agreed to resolve the proceedings and file joint penalty submissions. The miner was ordered to pay ASIC's cost of the proceeding, and the court also ordered, with the consent of the parties, that ASIC's claims against two former officers of Rio Tinto, Tom Albanese and Guy Elliott, to be dismissed, with the parties bearing their own costs. Meanwhile, in other news today, Australia's largest airline, Qantas, shares were trading lower by 7.2% to $4.57 post the mid-market trades. Xero, a cloud trading platform, and Qantas Business Rewards, an airline loyalty program, have both partnered up to allow their joint users to earn Qantas points when purchasing select add-ons from the Xero App Store, as well as ease their bookkeeping when booking Qantas tickets. And today's share price of the airline is the lowest in over a month, with the company having recorded negative growth of almost 9% in its 52-week share price. Now coming back to the Qantas-Xero deal, Qantas Loyalty CEO Olivia Worth said that the Qantas Business Rewards program aims to assist members in improving their business while also rewarding them. And thanks to the collaboration with Xero, Qantas is giving company owners new methods to boost their points balances when they use business apps from the Xero App Store. And then in other news today, shares of mining and metals giant South32 are trading in the green, as the company informed the ASX that it had cancelled the sale of Metalloy's manganese alloy smelter. And South32 shares were trading $5.35 a piece, up 3.38% on the 7th of March. With this, the company has recorded the highest share price in the past 1 year, gaining 33% year to date. The sale of Metalloys, which had ceased production in March of 2020 and was agreed by Samancor Manganese Proprietary and Sitka Investments last year, will not proceed. This comes from the agreement's inability to meet specific business terms which were not shared by the company. South32 owns 60% of the Samancor Manganese joint venture, while Anglo owns 40%. The joint venture owns the Matawan and the Wessels manganese mines, plus the Metalloys manganese alloy smelter in South Africa and the Gemco manganese mine in Australia. Well, with that said, that is a wrap for now on the last trade, but tune in next time on Calcine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.